Hey guys, it's Rosetta here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this half cut crease eye look. I added a new eyeshadow palette to my kit and I'm loving it so much. I will show the new palette later in the video. You just need a little practice for this eye look, and trust me, once you master it, you will enjoy creating so many different kinds of eye looks. So let's quickly start the video. I've already moisturized my face and then I'm using MAC Fix Plus to prime my face and also a lip balm. Today I'm gonna start with my eye makeup first. As usual, I'm gonna brush my eyebrow downwards so that I'm able to see all the gaps and start filling them. And once I'm done filling the top part of the eyebrow, I'm going to brush it upwards so that I'm able to see all the gaps at the bottom and then fill the gaps. Once you're done filling the gaps in the eyebrow, brush it with the help of a spoolie. Today I'm going to clean underneath the eyebrow and also the top part with the help of a concealer, and also apply the concealer all over my eyelid. Now blend the concealer and just dust a little powder to the area where you have applied the concealer. So this is the new palette, guys. This is the Nicka K Ocean Eyes Eyeshadow Palette, and this has beautiful shades of blue. I love this palette a lot. I used it for the first time and it's amazing. So I'm picking up this light blue shade from the palette and applying it on my crease and little above. So this is gonna be my transition shade. Next I'm taking this darker shade of blue, and I'm going to use this shade on the outer third of my eyelid and also at the crease. So I'm going to keep this shade on the crease and below that. Following my crease line, I'm also going to drag this eyeshadow towards the inner corner of my eye, and I will intensify the crease as much as I can, because this will help the cut to be evident on my eyelid. I will deepen the outer corner a little more. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I'm going to cut the crease with the help of the concealer. Slowly just draw a line and drag it towards your eyelid. So you need to draw a line at your crease and drag the concealer downwards. I'm gonna cut the crease halfway because it is a half cut crease eye look. All you need to do is apply the concealer really well on your eyelid till the area you want the cut to be visible. Once you have applied the concealer, just dab the edge of the concealer to get rid of any harsh line. Now I will pick this white shade and apply it on the inner third of my eyelid with the help of my finger. This shade has a beautiful shimmer to it which the camera is not able to justify, but it really looks beautiful in person. Next I'm going to pick this blue shade and apply it at the center of my eyelid. And I will also make sure that there are no harsh lines so that the transition is smooth. Just dab the finger where two colors meet, and this will give a smooth transition. Adding a little more color to the outer third. And for highlighting the brow bone, I'm using the same white shade which I used for the inner third of my eyelid. Now let's quickly finish the face makeup, and for that I'm using the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer to conceal the dark spots and pigmented areas of my face. I'm just using tiny bit on the areas where I have dark spots or any kind of pigmentation, and then I'm blending it with the help of my finger. Jumping to the foundation, today I'm using the Maybelline Matte+Poreless foundation. I'm in the shade 330 Toffee. I'm going to provide all the details in the description box below for the products I'm using in this video. So I'm applying the foundation with the help of a brush. Brush gives little more coverage than the sponge because the sponge tends to absorb the foundation. So if you want more coverage, I would suggest you to use a brush. And then I'm blending the foundation with the help of a flat top brush. Blend it really well. Going back to the L.A.Girl Pro Concealer, I'm using it to highlight the high points of my face and also to brighten the area under my eyes. So you can see the areas where I'm applying the concealer, just a little amount, and blend it with the help of a brush. These steps are really important for the makeup because once you apply the foundation, the face becomes flat and you need to give dimension to your face. I'm also going to apply the concealer above the jawline and drag the product downwards. Take a little loose powder and dust the face. Do not apply too much powder because that makes the face look cakey. And then I'm going to contour my face starting from the top of the ear towards the corner of my lips, and I will blend it upwards. Also, I will contour at the sides of the nose and my forehead. To add some color to my face, I'm gonna apply blush on the apples of my cheeks. I will go back to the eyeshadow palette and pick up the white shade and apply it on the lower lash line. And then at the center, I'm gonna apply the blue shade and the deeper blue at the outer corner. So basically I followed the same pattern which I followed for the eyelid. This is my favorite highlighter. I'm going to highlight my face. So basically I'm highlighting the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, temple, Cupid's bow and chin. This is again a new product in my kit, and it is Bella Voste Lip Crayon, and it is in the shade 15, the lady in red. With this crayon, I will first line my lips and then start filling the corners of my lips. Always start with lining the lips because this way your lips will get a proper shape. Then I'm gonna fill the corners of my lips, after which the rest of the area of my lips. I will finish up with mascara on the upper and lower lashes. I'm gonna apply the falsies off camera and use a setting spray to set the entire face. And here is the finished look, guys. I really loved the way it turned out, and I'm sure you guys also liked it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you get updates of all my latest videos. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. I appreciate you watching my videos and I love you all so much. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. I will see you soon. Bye, guys.